Hello, happy summer from Portland, Oregon. I'm Damien. I had the good fortune to obtain mesenchymal stem cell therapy at BioXcellerator's Medellín Colombia campus 9 months ago in October of 2019. I had an old skiing injury where I trashed my knee and severely traumatized my lower left leg. I tore the ACL and the meniscus and I fractured the tibial prominence, but more seriously, I really traumatized the lower leg, just above my ankle. So I received 2 IV treatments, the BioGel, the hyperbaric treatments, and then I had an injection in my knee, and then 12 injections around the circumference of my left lower leg. I couldn't have been any happier with the standard of care. Absolutely top drawer care, the kindest, most compassionate, genuinely happy people, which really makes a huge impact on the benefit of that therapy. About 2 weeks after the therapy, I noticed that my left lower leg was no longer swollen. Here it had been swollen for 25 years, 26 years, chronically, and it was no longer swollen. Historically, I had suffered that kind of chronic pain from that, occasional ulcers and cellulitis. And boom, after that treatment, so far 9 months on, no longer swollen, holding strong. I just would say that you couldn't go wrong if you're searching such therapy to go with BioXcellerator in Medellín. Thank you.